Wildfires in Israel force over 80,000 people to evacuate. Netanyahu blames arsonist terrorism. Tens of thousands of people were told to immediately evacuate Israel's third-largest city, Haifa, as wildfires encouraged by extreme wind raged through the country for the third day. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu blamed arsonist terrorism for the blaze. More than 80,000 people were forced to leave their homes and rush from Haifa while authorities struggled to bring the fire under control. It has been spreading especially quickly due to dry weather and strong winds. I want to say as clearly as possible, any fire caused by arson, or by incitement to arson, is terrorism, and we will deal with it accordingly. That is my directives to the security services. We will deal with all acts of lawlessness. Anyone who tries or will try to burn parts of Israel will be punished with all severity, Netanyahu told a press conference in Haifa, according to the Jerusalem Post. Netanyahu was joined by Public Security Minister Gilad Erdan, Interior Minister Ederi and Housing and Construction Minister Yoav Gallant.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.